G'day and good morning. Welcome to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are going for a drive to a local car meet. We're going to take Grace behind me and be joined by a couple of subscribers. Today, Tomo, we're heading off to a cars and coffee meet out at Emu Plains, small suburb of Penrith. So I'm accompanied by Kyle, who owns the Mini Ute, if you haven't already seen, check it out on the channel, and one of my subscribers as well. Funnily enough, he lives just around the corner, so he said he was going to tag along. Fairly late night last night, fixing Grace to get her ready for today. Gave her a quick bath this morning. As you can see, it's all foggy, so should be there in a couple of minutes.
I've seen this Beetle before.
Alright, so welcome back. We're now here at the cars and coffee meet. It got me coffee, starting to warm up during the morning. Let's go check out the cars and see what there is. This red thing sounded pretty sick when it came in. Wonder how much he attracts in terms of 5.0. Got the classic Mini as well. Pretty low. What is this thing? Never seen one of those in my life. RX-5, yeah, right, okay. Interesting. So I should also note this is a Japanese and pre-2000 car meet. So although we're not full JDM, we're still here representing the British Motor Corporation and the Leyland Australian Corporation as well. Got a couple of late stragglers pulling in. The thing is, I am, excuse me, I'm a big car guy, but to be honest, like I've said in previous videos, I don't actually know a lot of cars, what they are, older stuff that I'm not familiar with. So I couldn't even tell you exactly what we're looking at. It's Tomo Customs, I believe. He's also on
Instagram. Need to go say g'day to him actually. So this is Tomo Customs car. I follow him on Instagram, so it's funny that you get to know people, and as you get to know people, you know their cars, but then you don't actually know the person, so it's a bit funny actually. You know, following someone but not properly knowing them, who they are. You just know their car. Nissan Figaro. Very interesting little car. Can't say I've ever seen one. Nice little dress rims on it. For a car that was built in the 90s, that dash is actually quite nice. Old school and retro. Really nice. Couple of split screen combis. And you've got a ute here as well. It's fairly low, this thing as well, by the look of it. Some like mini light style wheels on it, I think. I'm probably completely wrong, so please let me know in the comment section below. And there's an old Beetle as well behind there. Is that a all-drive Celica? GT4, I think it is. I think. Probably completely wrong once again, but never know. R32 GDR, I think. Early midget as well. Boys from MCM would definitely love that.
They're like 15 grand. There's heaps of them on sale.
Yeah, right.
For car sale.
And a cool little box at the back.
She can read Japanese, but I'm
Got some really clean cars here, actually, which is nice.
Well, you said you bought one of those.
That's why. Mine's more of a
Show us your turbo. Ah, slow 2J. I'm sure it is. I'll give you a race, mate. Just give me a head start.
No, I saw him when
Old Enki wheels. Here's one of my followers now, Kev. How are you, mate?
Hey, good, thanks.
So, mate, what is it that you drive exactly?
I've got four.
4 cars. Are they all minis or
Nah.
variety?
I've got a 2004 WRX STI,
Good work.
1990 MX-5, and the Mini,
Yep.
A63 Mini, and my wife's daily a Mazda 3.
Yeah, nice. So how long have you owned all these cars for? Is it something you've had in collection for a while, or you kind of go through them a lot?
My first one was the STI, and then followed by the MX-5.
Yep.
And then my recent one, which was just about 4 months ago, was the
Yep.
Mini.
Yeah. Small world that, you generally know people who live close by, or, you pull up at a servo and everyone knows a story about a Mini, and, you literally live around the corner from you. So reach out today and ask him to come down. So we'll go have a look at his car a bit later. But what do you love most about driving Minis?
Oh, no, it's just the raw feeling of driving. Yeah, you don't get these cars like nowadays. Like, it's all power, all comfort. Nothing like the pure driving experience.
Especially being a couple inches off the ground, so you feel every bump. But yeah, definitely driving experience is one of the best highlights. And the people's faces as well that light up when they see you drive by as well.
Yeah, that's the best part of it. Like, old, young, they always like give you a thumbs up.
Yeah, always make someone's day. I didn't know you owned that many, mate. That many bloody cars. Jesus.
And I've just done a engine swap on the MX-5 just
Yeah.
before I bought the Mini.
Yeah.
And I just another financial mistake.
Gotta fuel the beast. Let's see what else there is. Yeah.
That was my first car.
Yeah? Oh, Sierra, yeah. You definitely do not see those around very much.
Same one too, top down.
Yeah, wow. That's cool. There's a lot more people here now, which is good. Let's keep looking. Another fellow Mini enthusiast rocking up. Go say g'day in a minute. Look at those wheels.
I've not seen those before either.
They're sick. The nerves are on, everyone's watching. Alright, so we're joined here by Greg from Mini Classic. Mate, tell me about this little Mini-matic you got.
So it's a 67 Matic. It's got a A+ 1275 in it.
Yep.
Rover engine. It's 1430cc stroker. It's got a Graham Russell head manifold. Makes 121 horsepower, I think, at the
Jesus.
crank.
Yeah.
It's my wife's car, so hasn't been going for about 8 years. So I just got it going again, like last week.
Yeah. And how long you own this thing for?
Bought it in '96, I think.
Okay.
Yep.
So owned it for a few years.
Yep.
How many Minis have you had over the years?
Oh, don't know, lots. Yep.
All of them.
Pretty much. Yeah. They've all been through me, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what do you enjoy most about Minis?
Well, I work on them like daily, so I don't mind driving them on the weekend every now and again, but driving them every day is a bit much sometimes, but pays the bills.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's it. Something about these older Evos, just the square boxy look. And behind the camera today we've got Kyle, as I said in the car. He owns the Mini Ute that we did the build on not too long ago. So thank you very much, Kyle, for coming out.
Oh, you're most welcome. It's currently unregistered, which is why it's not here today, but that's life. Get there eventually, slowly, bit at a bit. Yeah.
Not having power steering. Oh, tyres being a lot wider as well.
Yeah.
Corolla.
All the thinking of cars cooling down. Don't do that anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, the noise of or the metal's expanding, contracting. It's definitely not something you hear very often. Let's have a look at these Sierras. £5,000 winch, definitely more than enough for this sucker. Old Cosworth. Definitely do not see many of these kicking around. I always love a good combination of cars, of the colours people run, with wheels, wheel arches, interior. Sometimes it's just plain and basic, but it suits. And something like this is a really good example. The wheels are very similar to the colour of the car. Little accents of the black around the wheel arches, black bonnet, black mirrors. It's just enough to offset it. That's one thing I think I enjoy about, car meets, is every car is different and no two ones are exactly the same. Got another Mini over the back as well. Looks like an early Morris by the look of it. Sliding windows. I wonder who owns this. I think I've seen this one, but in saying that, I don't get out very often, so that's probably the reason why. Another 850. The old magic wand. The old hen's teeth Mini for parts. Type R Integra. Alright, so that's the meet for today. Got a couple of good interviews from a couple of mates, and Greg from Mini Classic at Ermington, here he comes over our shoulder. Thank you very much, mate. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. A couple of cars here that I certainly don't know a lot about. I'm sure everyone in the comment section can let me know all the stuff that I got wrong, like they always do. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you right here on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.